你有没有在演唱会尖叫完后，想和你的英国朋友分享，然后才意识到不知怎样描述？或是你被问到 How was the show? 你说 It was cool. 然后就不知如何说下去。如果发生的话，听下去。
Have you ever screamed so loud at a concert that even your neighbor's goldfish felt it? Or waved a light stick so hard that your wrist asked for sick leave? Or maybe, just maybe, you wondered what aliens would think if they saw 10,000 humans glowing and screaming at a giant birdcage on stage. Welcome to the world of concert atmospheres, where lights, sound, and fans collide in the most magical chaos. Welcome to Power Up English. To unlock your English, starting from a picture. In today's video, we're going to learn how to describe a concert scene in 3 versions: elementary, intermediate, and advanced levels. Why? Because being able to say it looks cool isn't enough anymore. You need to describe the colors, the emotions, the energy, and the experience to impress your teachers, friends, and maybe even your future tour guide self. Click subscribe Power Up English, then you can keep learning. And press like before we start. We'll break it down with vivid vocabulary and explanation translations. In Quick Learn Quick Apply session, those vocabs will belong to you, especially if you're just starting out to English world. This lesson has something for you, so get your ears ready, glow sticks out, and let's dive into the sound and light storm of concert English.
Elementary level, this concert looks amazing. There are many people standing close together, holding up their phones and waving their hands. Bright lights shine from the stage, turning the space into a colorful show. Everyone seems excited and full of energy. You can almost feel the loud music and fun just by looking at the picture.
Today, we are good. We don't have really difficult word in the previous description. Let's move to the second level.
Intermittent level. This picture captures the thrilling atmosphere of a live concert. The crowd is packed tightly, many people raising their hands or filming with their phones. The stage glows with vivid lighting, casting dynamic colors across the audience. There's a strong sense of excitement, unity, and anticipation in the air, as if everyone is sharing a powerful moment, even without sound. The energy almost jumps out of the image.
Let us review a few vocabs that we just heard.
Thrilling, meaning extremely exciting. For example, this book is a thrilling adventure story. Be packed, meaning filled full of things. For example, the train is fully packed with people. Glow, meaning to produce a continuous light and sometimes heat. For example, the children's faces were glowing with excitement. Dynamic, adjective, meaning continuously changing or developing. Audience, meaning the group of people together in one place to watch or listen to a show.
We reached a quick learn, quick apply. Let's practice. You have 10 seconds for each.
Thrilling. Is packed. Glows. dynamic, audience, advanced level. This image encapsulates the electrifying ambience of a large-scale live concert, a sea of concertgoers, illuminated by pulsating stage lights, forms a visually intense mosaic of emotion and movement. The atmosphere is almost tangible, charged with collective adrenaline, anticipation, and euphoria. The interplay of saturated color, silhouetted figures, and kinetic lighting creates a multisensory illusion of sound and motion. One can easily imagine the bass reverberating through the crowd as every individual becomes part of a singular, unforgettable experience.
Let us review a few vocabs that we just heard.
Concertgoers, meaning people going to watch concert. Pulsating, meaning beating or moving with a strong or regular rhythm. For example, she complained of a pulsating pain in her head when hearing loud music. Tangible, meaning able to be touched. For example, we need tangible evidence if we're going to take legal action. Adrenaline, meaning a hormone produced by body when feeling angry, excited, or frightened, which makes the heart beat faster and prepares the body to react to danger. Anticipation, meaning a feeling of excitement about something that will happen in the near future.
We reached a quick learn, quick apply. Let's practice. You have 10 seconds for each.
Concertgoers. Pulsating. Tangible. Adrenaline, anticipation. The concert looks really a good show. That make me think an idiom, which is bring the house down. Its meaning is to give a performance that is so exciting, powerful, or emotional that the audience reacts with loud cheering, clapping, or applause. Especially you can see from the video, people's hands in the air, phones up, lights flashing. The picture is full of energy. We can almost feel the music. This is a perfect example of a band that is bringing the house down. They're not literally breaking anything, but the audience is so amazed that it feels like the whole place is shaking. Therefore, instead of saying, "The concert was really good," you can say, "The band brought the house down with their final song." It sounds more natural and more expressive. Just like native speakers would say. There is a bonus tip. This idiom is often used after big performances, like concerts, speeches, talent shows, or comedy acts. So you can tell yourself, you've just brought the house down. If your colleagues explodes in applause after your speech next time.
Thank you for your patience. Learning does take patience. Now, can we listen to the second version one more time? I promise it'll feel much easier. Why? Because I put a little magic on it. If you want the magic to happen again, be sure to become a member here. It also brings the end of the video. See you next time.
Intermittent level. This picture captures the thrilling atmosphere of a live concert. The crowd is packed tightly, many people raising their hands or filming with their phones. The stage glows with vivid lighting, casting dynamic colors across the audience. There's a strong sense of excitement, unity, and anticipation in the air, as if everyone is sharing a powerful moment, even without sound. The energy almost jumps out of the image.